Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook shelled edamame. First, ensure you have either fresh or frozen shelled edamame ready. Give your edamame a good rinse under cold water to clean it thoroughly. Next, grab a medium pot and fill it with water, then place it on your stove to bring it to a rapid boil. This initial preparation is key for perfectly cooked edamame, setting the stage for a delicious and healthy snack or side dish. Once your water is at a vigorous boil, carefully add the shelled edamame. You'll want to cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes. The goal here is a tender, crisp texture, not mushy. Keep an eye on them. As soon as they reach that perfect consistency, quickly drain them using a colander. This stops the cooking process and ensures your edamame retains its vibrant green color and delightful bite. Now for the best part, seasoning and serving. Once drained, transfer your warm edamame to a bowl. A simple yet essential step is to toss them with a good pinch of sea salt. This really brings out their natural, nutty flavor. If you're feeling adventurous, a small drizzle of toasted sesame oil or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes can add a wonderful extra dimension. Serve immediately and enjoy this nutritious treat. For those times when you need a super quick option, the microwave is your friend. Simply place about 1 cup of shelled edamame into a microwave-safe bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of water, then cover it securely. Microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a quick stir, and if it needs a little more warmth, microwave for another minute. It's a fantastic way to enjoy edamame in a flash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.